Preyo Phonie here. In this quick Android guide, I'll show you how to change your hotspot password step by step. Want to secure your mobile hotspot with a new password? This quick setting helps protect your internet from unwanted users. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Then tap Hotspot and Connections option. Step 2. Now select Personal Hotspot from the menu. This section controls your hotspot settings. Step 3. Tap on Hotspot Settings to continue. Here you can manage your hotspot name and password. Before we continue, subscribe now for more Android tips and hidden smartphone features every week. Step 4. You'll now see your current hotspot password. Tap the password field to edit it. Step 5. Type your new hotspot password carefully. Use a strong password for better security. Step 6. Finally, press the top right Save or Check icon. Boom! Your hotspot password has now been updated successfully. Subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more simple and practical Android tutorials every week.